Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the Nasdaq 100 futures chart. As you can see in Monday's session, that's the first trading session of the week, we have fallen ever so slightly. We're down roughly 100 points here, currently trading at 12,200. We did open last night, that's late on Sunday, at roughly 12,330 points, so we were trading up around 0.4%, but since then we have given back our gains, and for the day, I think we're trading roughly down 0.3%. So nothing crazy here in the Nasdaq 100, and I think it just makes perfect sense that we are under a little bit of pressure because we're trying to test those all-time highs which we achieved back at the beginning of September of 12,400. We didn't quite get to 12,400, but 12,300 is only 100 points below that level. I am very bullish going into the month of December. We've just come out of one of the most bullish months for the stock market since 1987. So we've had a really good month, and that was obviously helped by the US elections. But I'm still very bullish going into the end of the year, and especially January. We had some great news out by Adobe this weekend that the Black Friday sales were the highest on record. And this is something that I forecast in last week's videos. I said that this is probably going to be the most e-commerce Christmas that we will ever experience up to date. And I think Adobe's has gone out and proven that. We had e-commerce sales which had risen 23% year to date at $9 billion. So a significant rise in money being spent online. So that's very encouraging. Last week I was predicting that earnings in January, so the Q1 earnings for 2021 are going to be very, very, very strong because there would be a lot of consumers spending their money online, buying products through the likes of Amazon, paying for ads on Facebook, Instagram. People are going to be paying for subscriptions for Netflix because a lot of countries are still on lockdown or are under heavy restrictions. So there's plenty of positives for the big tech names, the likes of Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Google, you name it. So I'm a buyer of a Nasdaq 100. Personally, I believe it's only a matter of time now until we do break above the previous all-time high that we set back in September. And we go trading up, first of all, to 12,500. And once we hit 12,500, we go up to 13,000. So for that reason, I'm a buyer. Tuesday session, I'm looking to see whether we can retest that 12,400 level. RSI is still healthy, which we're trading well above the 50-day EMA. We're trading well above the 200-day EMA. So from a fundamental perspective, we look incredibly strong. And from a technical perspective, I think we look even stronger. So I'm a buyer, no interest in selling this indice. If you sell it, it's a great way to lose money.